I wanted to talk to you today about a common theme that students often talk to me about in terms of the job search being very daunting. Chip away at their confidence, right? So how do you remain confident in a job search which has, like a roller coaster, a great many ups and downs? The ride is not something that you know, right? It's like the second or third time you've been on a roller coaster, you know what to anticipate. And so that makes the ride a little more fun, right? You know when you're going to be turned upside down or lose the change in your pockets. Before you begin your job search, you want to begin your job search team, right? Think of yourself as, if you were a cook, what kinds of spices or cookbooks or assistants that you want in the kitchen when you're preparing any particular dish, so that if the temperature is too hot or too cold, you can adjust for it. And so I think what I'd like you to do today is to think about who's on your team. And I think it should at least be 5 people, maybe 7, maybe 11. That's your core team, right? And it's also, when you're building this team, it's not simply who am I building that will support me. I think what you want to ask is, among these people, how do I support them? It's what my grandmother would often call kind of the Beatitudes moment, right? The ability to walk in someone else's shoes, the ability to see with someone else's eyes, and to kind of shoulder and lift and support them. That's what you want in your team. These are people that you want to give to. They will in turn give back to you. So think about who's on your team and start there. And once you begin to have that begin to come together, like you're practicing, then you can go out and start applying for jobs. But that team is essential. It's essential not just for right now. It's essential throughout your entire life.